We have a problem in our generation. We have people, he says, if you sneeze. Sneezing is something that happens naturally, meaning you're not intentionally sneezing. It happens. In today's lack of Musar world, when we don't teach Musar in Batei Knesset, when we are scared to mention even the words Yirat Shamayim, you have people that go to Beit Knesset, and what do? They blow their nose for 20 minutes in the middle of tefillah. First of all, it's extremely distracting. I'm trying to pray to Hashem Yitbarach, the King of Kings. I'm trying to Hashem help me. Hashem Rachem, people have diseases. People are getting divorces. People that are sick. People that are this. People are that. And then, get this guy blowing his nose like he's a fountain. 20 minutes he's blowing his nose. How much do you have in there? So, first of all, it's very distracting. Second of all, it's complete disrespect to not only the Keilah, but to Hashem Yitbarach. You're going into his house at the place where everybody's praying. You go inside the Beit HaMikdash. Right next to the Kodesh Kodeshim. The Kohen HaGadol is about to pray. If he thinks the wrong thing, he dies and the whole nation gets punished. He thinks the wrong thing. And you're with your nose. Everybody's trying to pray, Hashem help us. There's kings that are going against us. The entire world just voted that Israel is an illegal country. We're on the verge of war on any given day. We're on the verge of pogroms on any given day, Hashem Rechem. All Jews are so comfortable in America, in Europe, in Israel, everywhere. We're so comfortable. We were also comfortable 70 years ago. We were also comfortable 250 years ago. We were also comfortable 500 years ago. We were also very comfortable 2,000 years ago. Very comfortable. Until Hashem made it uncomfortable. I'm trying to get Hashem to give mercy, and you're blowing your nose. Go to the bathroom. You selfish person, go to the bathroom. I don't want to hear your snotty nose. Because aside from it being disgusting and lack of respect for the Keilah, it's lack of respect for Hashem Yitbarach. Now because we're so politically correct, and we're so scared of offending someone, chas v'shalom, he's ever going to do tshuva and actually stop being a rasha and interfering everybody's prayer, we don't do anything. So what happens? There's actually a few people, I know in Beit Knesset, there's one specific one, he always somehow, I don't know, every time he sits right next to me, like 3 rows up. And every time right before the tefillah, oh man, it's like there is like a fountain connected to his head that comes out of his nose. 5 minutes straight he's blowing his nose. I can't take it. I had to leave the Beit Knesset. I don't understand. Go somewhere else. Go to the bathroom. Why do you have to blow your nose inside the Beit Knesset? And always at the same time?
That's a unique case. I've never seen.
Like there's something wrong with you. I mean, maybe you should go see a doctor. If it's that much, every day you have to blow your nose that much, 5 minutes straight? 1,000 people in the Keilah, this guy's sitting next to me. I get these tikkunim. Baruch Hashem, Bruchim Habayim. So first and foremost, a message to all of you nose blowers. Go to the bathroom. Just like you wouldn't blow your nose in front of the CEO of the company that you work for. Just like you wouldn't blow your nose in front of a king of a country. Just like you wouldn't blow your nose in front of a shidduch. If you're trying to impress a woman, or you're trying to impress a man, he says, hey, how are you? My name is Dave. Hold on a second. Shake your hand. Who wants to touch you, Bichlal? Go wash your hands, wash your face, fix yourself. Stop blowing your nose in Beit Knesset. Go outside, finish, come back. I'm not saying you have tzarat, but don't make me feel like you do with 5 minutes of blowing your nose. Enough. It's disgusting. It's disturbing. That's the second thing we learned from this Gemara. Not so bad. We're going to make a clip out of this one. We're going to call the 911 to all the nose blowers.
Send it to him. Tell someone to text it to him.
Shem Yachem.